Today we are making a delicious recipe with eggplant, and it's so easy to make and it's delicious. And eggplants, they're not expensive, so it's a win-win. You can't go wrong with this recipe. The first thing what I did, I took the eggplant and I washed it, then I dried it out and I sliced it like a rings, Or first I put the parchment paper, then I put it on the tray. Then what I did, I took olive oil and I brushed the eggplant. At the meantime, I had the oven preheated to 400. So what I did, I put the eggplant inside the oven for 30 minutes. Now it's been 30 minutes. And what I did, I took out the tray of the eggplant and I flipped over the eggplant. In the other side of the eggplant, I did the same thing I did before. A little bit of olive oil and I sprinkled a little sea salt and I put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. What I did next, I did the mix. So what I did, I took a half a cup of olive oil, 1/4 of a cup of apple vinegar, 1 teaspoon of dry garlic, 1 teaspoon of dry onion, a half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of dry parsley, a half a teaspoon of red flakes. I gave it a nice mix. It smells so good. And then what I did, I took the mix with a teaspoon and I poured it right on the top of the eggplant. And I put it back in the oven for 15 minutes. And that's all it took. And when I brought it out, the whole house smells so good. I don't know, that's one of the best meals I ever had. The vinegar was not that much, but it gives you punch. And then you have the red flakes. It was very good. It was amazing. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to find delicious recipes. My recipes, you're not going to find any white flour, sugar, or bad fats.